In this video, we'll show you what to do if the standby mode is not working on your iPhone. So as you can see, my iPhone is currently charging, but the standby mode is not working. That's because I'm holding it in my hand. You simply have to place your iPhone on a stable surface like a phone stand or something similar, and the standby mode should kick in automatically. However, if you still experience problems, your next option is to go to the settings app and here scroll down and then tap on standby. Here you will need to make sure that the standby mode is active. Now tap on display and make sure it is not configured to turn off after 20 seconds. Now go back to the main settings page, scroll up and then tap on battery. Now here you will need to make sure that the low power mode is disabled, so scroll down and then tap on power mode. Make sure low power mode is turned off. Now if you still experience problems, your last option is to simply go ahead and restart your iPhone. So simply swipe down from the control center and then long press on this power icon to restart your iPhone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.